Welcome to Healthcare Bites for You. What if your skin problems aren't just about what you put on your face, but what you put on your plate? Most people treat skincare from the outside, but after 50, healing your skin has to start from within. In today's video, we're diving into the top foods that naturally heal and rejuvenate skin from the inside out. These foods are backed by science, easy to find in any grocery store, and powerful enough to transform how your skin looks and feels. Why diet matters more after 50. Your skin is your body's largest organ, and just like your heart or brain, it needs nutrients to thrive. After 50, your skin loses elasticity, hydration, and collagen. Your body produces less oil, and sun damage from earlier years starts to show. According to Harvard Health, diet directly impacts skin aging, especially in older adults. So if you want clearer, firmer, younger-looking skin, the solution isn't just in creams, it's in your kitchen. Skin Nutrient Basics, what your skin needs. Let's look at what your skin actually needs to stay healthy. Collagen-building nutrients. Vitamin C, zinc, and protein help repair damaged skin. Antioxidants. They protect against free radicals and reduce wrinkles. Healthy fats. Keep skin moisturized and reduce inflammation. Water-rich foods. Improve hydration and skin tone. Now, here are the top 10 foods to eat regularly for glowing skin from the inside out. Number 1. Fatty fish. Omega-3 for moisture and calm. Fatty fish, like salmon, sardines, and mackerel, are rich in omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3s help reduce inflammation, prevent dryness, and keep skin looking plump and smooth. A 2020 study in the Journal of Dermatology found omega-3s can reduce signs of aging and improve skin elasticity. Reference website available in video description. Aim for 2 servings per week, grilled, baked, or in a salad. Number 2. Avocados. The skin softener, avocados, are loaded with healthy fats, vitamin E, and antioxidants. They keep your skin moisturized from within and protect it from oxidative stress, which causes aging. Research from UCLA shows avocados also boost skin elasticity in women over 50. Add them to toast, salads, or even smoothies. Number 3. Tomatoes, your natural sunscreen. Tomatoes contain lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that protects against sun damage. In a 12-week study, participants who ate tomato paste had 33% more protection from sunburns. Cooked tomatoes, like sauces or soups, increase lycopene absorption. Number 4. Sweet potatoes, beta-carotene glow. Sweet potatoes are full of beta-carotene, which the body turns into vitamin A. Vitamin A helps prevent dry, flaky skin and gives you that healthy, natural glow. Tip: other beta-carotene-rich foods include carrots and butternut squash. Try roasted sweet potatoes with olive oil. Skin loves it. Number 5. Berries, antioxidant superstars. Blueberries, strawberries, and blackberries are high in antioxidants, which fight aging at the cellular level. They also help prevent collagen breakdown, keeping your skin firm. According to the USDA, blueberries have the highest antioxidant capacity of all fruits. Add them to yogurt, oatmeal, or just snack on them. Number 6. Leafy greens, skin detox power. Spinach, kale, and Swiss chard are packed with vitamins A, C, and K, plus iron and fiber. They help detox your skin, reduce inflammation, and support skin renewal. Tip: blend them into smoothies or sauté with garlic for a tasty side dish. Walnuts, the anti-wrinkle nut. Walnuts are rich in omega-3s, zinc, and protein, the trifecta for skin repair. They help fight wrinkles, reduce acne, and support skin healing. Zinc helps with wound healing and is essential for skin barrier function. Eat a small handful daily, raw or lightly toasted. Number 8. Green tea, collagen protector. Green tea is full of catechins, antioxidants that improve skin hydration and elasticity. Science says drinking green tea regularly may slow collagen breakdown and reduce redness. Enjoy it hot, cold, or as a matcha latte. Number 9. Water, the forgotten secret. Hydrated skin is healthy skin. But most of us over 50 don't drink enough water. Aim for 8 to 10 cups daily and include water-rich foods like cucumbers, oranges, and celery. Tip: herbal teas and infused waters also count toward hydration. Number 10. Dark chocolate. Yes, really. Dark chocolate, 70% cocoa or more, is packed with flavonoids that improve blood flow and skin texture. In one study, women who consumed dark chocolate daily had 25% more protection against UV damage. Just stick to 1 to 2 squares a day. It's dessert and skincare. Foods to limit what damages skin. Avoiding certain foods is just as important as adding the right ones. Limit. Processed sugar breaks down collagen. Fried foods cause inflammation. Too much dairy may trigger acne for some. Excess alcohol dehydrates and dulls skin. Think of food as either feeding your glow or fading it. Daily skin-boosting meal example. Here's a simple daily menu to boost skin health. Breakfast: oatmeal with blueberries plus green tea. Lunch: spinach salad with salmon and avocado. Snack: handful of walnuts or dark chocolate. Dinner: grilled chicken with sweet potatoes and sautéed kale. Water intake: herbal tea, lemon water, or cucumber slices. Have you noticed a difference in your skin based on what you eat? Share your experience in the comments. What's your favorite skin-boosting food? And don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more age-positive, natural wellness content. Conclusion: you don't have to spend hundreds on creams or treatments to have beautiful skin. True skincare starts from within, and it's never too late to nourish your body the right way. Eat smart, stay hydrated, and your skin will reflect the care you give it. Because the glow you're looking for, it's already in you. You just have to feed it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join our community at Healthcare Bites for you for more simple, powerful health tips. Thanks for watching, and take care of your health.